Hey there, long time no chat. How are you doing today? Got a minute? Well, I'm super excited to dive into this topic with you, protecting against threats with Microsoft Defender for Endpoint. It's a mouthful, but trust me, understanding this is vital in today's cybersecurity climate. Now, imagine we're hanging out by this cozy fire in your living room. So, let's talk about how Microsoft Defender for Endpoint can be our trusty shield in this digital age. Picture this platform as your personal bodyguard against cyber threats, tirelessly working 24/7. It's not just about keeping personal data safe, it's a fortress for corporate information too. Remember when we talked about cloud services and how we rely on them more than ever? Yeah, well, Microsoft Defender's that extra layer of security, making sure our data takes a vacation in the cloud, is not just secure but soaring in the best protection. Now, imagine you're this super enterprise, juggling vast amounts of data, applications, and services. Your employees are out there, sharing gigabytes of data across devices and cloud services. It's a goldmine for cybercriminals, right? Here's where Microsoft Defender for Endpoint comes in, helping businesses of all sizes. It's this amazing tool that wraps your entire enterprise within a robust security blanket. First off, the genius behind this is its ability to detect threats and suspicious activity that slips beneath the radar of standard antivirus software. It's like having its own spy system inside your networks, using endpoint behavioral sensors to catch anomalies, sneaky file accesses, strange downloads, or unexpected modifications, basically anything fishy. Then think about how, in a pinch, when things go down, Microsoft Defender can help you find the culprits with its advanced threat protection. It's like having a sleuth in your IT department, snooping around to find the bad guy through memory artifact recovery, unearthing clues they've left behind. Now, imagine your network is a sprawling metropolis. Microsoft Defender is the city's security infrastructure. It's the police who patrol the streets, the barricades that ward off intruders, and the emergency response team ready to act if things get dicey. Moving on, we've got to consider the heavyweight contenders in the cyber arena, like ransomware attacks, exploit kits targeting zero-day vulnerabilities, and APT, the kind that play hide and seek in our systems. Yikes, those are some scary threats, aren't they? Well, Microsoft Defender for Endpoint counters them with proactive threat intelligence and cloud-based security analytics. It's like having a foresight that anticipates the cybercriminal's next move. Remember, cybersecurity isn't just about defense, it's about being smart and staying one step ahead. Now, here's where we dive into the strategic part. Crafting a deployment strategy tuned just for your unique enterprise sounds complex, but think of it as tailoring a suit. Each enterprise is different, with its size, environment, and needs. Some might only have a few employees, while others could span across different continents. It all boils down to understanding the enterprise's architecture and creating a tailored Defender solution. Picture working out a workout plan for your brain, setting up policies, configuring advanced settings, making sure everything's on point for a robust cybersecurity environment. Think about it like this: we are creating this intricate blueprint for your digital stronghold. A solid implementation considers factors such as the mix of company devices like laptops and tablets, the types of cloud services you are using, whether it's Office 365, SharePoint, or Dynamics 365, and that diverse network infrastructure. It doesn't stop there. Deploying Microsoft Defender effectively also requires a keen understanding of the threat landscape. So we are not just building walls, we are also looking into where the threats are aiming at and ensuring we are guarding those specific points with utmost care. Remember, this is about enterprise-grade security. We are not just talking laptops in a cafeteria, we are securing endpoints worldwide across your vast enterprise landscape. And here's a fun fact, this tool is not just for defending, it's incredibly intuitive. Once we set the basics, we are looking at automating things. Think of it as setting sail with this foresight-furnished ship, letting Microsoft Defender handle the grunt work of securing endpoints across devices and in the cloud. Now let's gear up for troubleshooting. It's as if we are learning to fix leaks even before water starts dripping. When things go sideways, Microsoft Defender for Endpoint has built-in mechanisms to get you back on course. From dealing with failed detections to pinpointing the cause of suspicious app behavior, these tools equip IT pros to quickly resolve issues, ensuring our digital world keeps spinning smoothly. As we wrap our heads around best practices, we realize that cybersecurity is continuously evolving, much like technology itself. Staying on top of this means engaging in endless learning, refining policies, understanding new user behaviors, and tweaking configurations as needed. So imagine, after all this talk, you've got the blueprint for your digital fortress. Now it's the time for action, deploying Microsoft Defender for Endpoint. It's ensuring every endpoint, from a smartphone to a complex server, is shielded and armed against today's sophisticated threats. We are talking automated updates, cloud-based security analytics, and continuous reporting for monitoring. It's like having an army always on, ready to alert, aware, and armed to protect real-time data movement across your enterprise. We've discussed strategic considerations, deployment design, advanced troubleshooting, and best practices throughout this chat. Microsoft Defender doesn't just secure against today's threats, it sets the stage for a resilient defense mechanism against tomorrow's uncertainties. I know it's been a whirlwind dive, but now it's time to explore more. For the deep dive into Microsoft Defender's real-world application and how to optimize it for your unique enterprise setup, make sure to check out my blog directly. Visit neeraj.qzz.io and subscribe to TechLab. It's your treasure trove for all things cybersecurity and technology. Until next time, keep that cybersecurity spirit high and remember, a strong IT defense starts with informed conversations like today's. See you around, friend. Craft a monologue as if you were a character from a Shakespearean drama, complete with the flair of Old English language and dramatic undertones. The character is delivering this monologue to a concerned assembly of lords and ladies in the royal court within the realm of cybersecurity, specifically centered on the importance and application of Microsoft Defender for Endpoint in protecting against digital malevolence within their kingdom. Incorporate these additional constraints from the brainstorm prompt. Your character is addressing King Arden and Queen Isobel. Reflect on a recent breach that almost befell the kingdom without using modern terminology. Compare cybersecurity to the defenses of the kingdom. Include advice on protective strategies and advanced configurations. Express urgency without causing panic, as the safety of the kingdom is at stake. Integrate metaphorical language drawing upon elements of nature, war, and protection. Conclude with a sonnet summary that King Arden and Queen Isobel could memorize and recite among their council and subjects.